Well, hello. I got a lock for you for Stock Lock Sunday. I've never picked this one on camera. I did pick number 35 on camera a long time back. Somebody gave me this one, and so I think number 26 and I have number 35. I think we bought them from the same eBay seller who was selling a bunch of locks that were all numbered that they, dumped or whatever. So we'll see about getting into this bad boy. Oh, shoot. There's the bitine on the key. It is locked. And we're going to try to get into this sucker. It's been a while. Okay. If I can get the pick in, these are, hang on just a second, get a little light over here, this side, maybe that'll help. Okay, I think we got the pick in now. Well, let's find some pins, huh? Oh, I think there's a little, okay, we got a little false set there. Gonna move up. Pick keeps wanting to twist on me. Little stinker. You don't keep it in the right orientation, it hangs up. Oh, I think I just messed that up, didn't I? Think so. Well, I just dropped it back, so I feel like I'm about to lose that. No? Let's see. And we are open. Okay. All right. Wow. Cool. I just happen to have one of those. Whoa. I think it's got the original Loctite on it. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, that's the original. I guarantee you guys. Eek. Yeah, that's original. Well, I can tell you, I haven't been in it before. Or somebody lubed the hell out of it. Okay. I just don't like them going that way. Oh well. Yeah, I don't like that. It's not the right one. That's for the other. That's for the crimp core. Stay out of my way. Yeah. I think these are too long. I think I may have to cut these down. Yeah, they're way too long. I gotta cut them down till they fit. Well, we'll just turn it and see if that'll work. Oh, is this the Oh, it's... Duh. It's been so long, guys. You got a clip on the back. Danker. Well, I'm going to lock it up. It's just because I'm going to mess it up if I don't. God, it's been a long time, guys, since I've done this. Boy, I don't want to move. Oh, it's come off, apparently. Oh, you dog. Then get off of there. Are you kidding me? These things usually just come right off, just like that. Oh, let's get a tray anyway, so we won't mess it up too bad. Ooh, the heck was that? Oh. I'm gonna just shim it. I don't trust those followers. Got the shakes again, guys. Sorry. Don't know why. Yeah. 5 pins. Well, that's nice and greasy in there. Oh, and you can tell because they stay stuck up. Oh, a little booger. I also forgot how little these pins are. Man, tell you what, gee, son of a gun. I'm going to pin this up for 6, I'll tell you that. Cut a key for it. I'm so shaky today. It's not funny, guys, so bear with me. I'm not going to go through that tweezer crap on this here. The end of my... Thank you. Just for me. Okay, we're gonna do it my way. Okay, I think. I'm missing some springs, but I got other springs. There's one up here, probably one still here. It's around here somewhere. There it is. Trying to share the same bed. All right, guys. Here it is. Oh, I can see some serrated spools going in these in place of these. Yep, I sure can. Oh, these pins need to be changed to the serrated. Okay, yeah. Well, that's what I got for the Stock Lock Sunday. The Master Lock Pro Series 6835. Also, I got in something today I thought I'd show you real quick. And I guess it's their sales catalog. It's not the first of the year, so I was like, must be a special sale. But CLK Supplies sent me a catalog today. Huge savings guide. And, just, I go, okay. So now you're sending me catalogs. You must miss my business. All right. I just thought I'd throw that in, guys. So everybody stay legal and have fun. Bye.